All right, if you're someone who feels like your cold calls get off to awkward starts where the prospect is immediately giving you that defensive tone and pushing you away, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you 2 easy and effective cold call lines that I've used myself thousands of times that make this process much easier. So first, why does this happen? Because this is what happened to me when I first started making cold calls. The prospect is immediately defensive and you just get off to a tough start on the call and it's hard to reel it back in. So why does this happen? Because I was trying a lot of the commonly taught cold call lines out there. Things like, hey, do you have 27 seconds for me to tell you why I'm calling and then you can decide whether you want to continue the conversation? Or, hey, this is a cold call. Do you want to hang up now or do you want to give me a chance at telling you why I'm calling? Stuff like that. If that has felt awkward and too much for you, and it is what causes a lot of these defensive tones, you're not crazy. I got you. If that has never felt right to you, you're not crazy, because I felt the same way. I had to take a deep breath before every call when I was trying that, and it just felt like too much. I was like, there's got to be an easier way. And the truth is, there is. So here are 2 lines that I have used that totally simplify this process. So the first one, hey, this is Connor Murray calling from X company. How you doing? Good, I'm just reaching out because, and then you can go right into your talk track. The second one, hey, this is Connor Murray calling from X company. How are you today? Good. The reason I'm calling is, so what you notice about both of those is they were different words, but the tone and the inflection was the same. The way I simplify this process is with that first line, all I want from them is a formality. I want to signal that I'm not here to waste time. I'm not trying to get too fancy. I just say, hey, this is Connor Murray calling from X company. How you doing? 9 times out of 10, they're going to give you a 1-word formality back. They'll say, good, how are you? Good, how you doing? And it was because the way I said it. And then I say, good, I'm just reaching out because, and now I've completely neutralized the cold call opening, and I can go right into my talk track and say whatever I want, my pitch, whatever you want to call it. But this is what I mean when you want to make this process easy on yourself. Don't stress so much about the words. The words are not the most important part. Yes, you want words that you're comfortable with, but the part you need to practice is that tone and that inflection. That is what I practiced many times. If you listen one more time, listen to the range of vocal tone and inflections that I have. Hey, this is Connor Murray calling from X company. How you doing? Good, I'm just reaching out because that took practice. I sound engaged, I sound like I want to be there, but I sound like I'm serious and I don't want to waste time. So try these. The cold call opening should be made as simple and repeatable as possible so that it's not a thought that you have to worry about. I don't like to play these games. If you're someone who doesn't like to play these games, these gimmicky cold call openings, you're not crazy. This is the channel for you. I'm going to have many more videos like this because I want you all to do well in sales. A lot of people give up on sales, and it can be for things like they never figured out how to open a cold call properly. Like, you're going to get bodied just like I did if you're trying these gimmicky, do you have 27 seconds for me to tell you why I'm calling? So you are all some of the hardest workers. If you're someone who's picking up the phone and cold calling someone, you're a unique person. There's not many people who do that. So I want to make this process as simple and repeatable for yourself as possible. So try those cold call opening lines. Let me know how it goes. Drop a comment if they're working for you, if there's any others that you have had success with. I love talking about this stuff and I respond to all the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.